will take quiz on magnets and magnetic fields. How much did you learn about magnets and magnetic fields? Let's find out. Before we proceed, kindly take notes of these reminders. Read and analyze each question carefully. Answer the questions on your own. Strictly no use of notes, books and other references. Part 1 is about multiple choice questions. Choose the letter of the best answer. For each answer, pause video for 45 seconds. Question number 1 is about what is the other name given to natural magnets in the past? Option A, lodestone. Option B, horseshoe. Option C, magnesia. Option D, keepers. Let's check your answer. The best answer was lodestone. Lodestone or lode leading is the coin for natural magnets because of their property to indicate directions. Question number 2. Which part of a horseshoe magnet has the strongest magnetic field? You have to give this answer from the figure. Option A and B part. Option B, D part. Option C, E part. Option D, C part. Let's check your answer. The best answer was A and B because the magnetic field is strongest at the magnetic poles and relatively weaker in other parts of the magnet. Question number 3. Which among the substances below exhibit the strongest magnetic property? Option A, gold. Option B, steel. Option C, iron. Option D, copper. Let's check your answer. The best answer was iron because silver, copper and gold are considered non-magnetic and may only weakly interact with very strong magnetic field. Question number 4. What process can demagnetize a strongly magnetized object? Option A, place it beside a non-magnetic object. Option B, place it near a strong magnet. Option C, break the object into smaller pieces. Or option D, heat it at very high temperature. So the best answer is option D, heat it at very high temperature because at high temperature atoms move rapidly, which makes the magnetic domains become disordered. Now the part 2, which is true or false. Write true if the statement is correct, otherwise write false. Each question will be flashed for 30 seconds. Question number 5. One of the way natural magnets are created by rubbing steel bars with a magnet. True or false? The right answer was false because artificial magnets are created by rubbing them with steel bars, not natural magnets. Question number 6. Two north-seeking poles of a bar magnet attract each other. Is it true or false? It was false. Two north-seeking poles will repel each other. Remember that like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Question number 7. When a magnet is broken into smaller pieces continuously, the smallest part will still have two magnetic poles. Is it true or false? It's true. Each part of a broken magnet, even to the smallest piece, is still a complete magnet with two magnetic poles. Question number 8. By convention, the magnetic lines of force in a magnet leaves from its south-seeking pole and enter its north-seeking pole. Is it true or false? It's false because it's the other way around. Magnetic lines of force leave the north-seeking pole and enters the south-seeking pole. Well done. Always remember these facts when drawing a magnetic line of force. Number 1. Magnetic field lines do not cross one another. Magnetic field lines are continuous and form closed loops. Magnetic field lines leave the north-seeking pole and enter the south-seeking pole. Magnetic field lines are closer together in areas where the magnetic force is stronger.